Talk about going back to what we said kind of earlier in terms of this era now, and into what you just said as well about what you mentioned beforehand about this era being the kind of golden era you feel of R&B music, especially in the female industry.
Yeah, I mean, golden always makes it sound old, so I think probably there's something for us to judge maybe in years to come. But it's absolutely, I feel, a very, very special time for R&B, whether it's progressive R&B, futuristic R&B, or however you want to define it. But specifically from female artists at the moment, Jhené Aiko, Kehlani, Janelle Monáe, Ari Lennox, Ella that we spoke about, Summer Walker, DaniLeigh. I mean, they normally in any genre you kind of have your five big guns, and you've got tier two, but those people still doing their thing. But there's always five leading the way. I mean, I'm scrolling through my Spotify now, but I probably rinse off 30 names for you. Asian, Snoh Agalera, like the level of the caliber of work they're putting out, I think is phenomenal. And these aren't just sort of poppy R&B records. Some of these artists are making real strong bodies of work, albums
They are.
and not have to skip, which is often a lost art at the moment. And going back to what we were talking about earlier about the love of musicianship and she plays 6 instruments. Summer Walker can just pick up a guitar effortlessly. And I think because a younger generation, that they're learning these instruments quicker and adding it to their repertoire. And I think, this is a very special moment. And we were talking briefly earlier about sort of the golden age thing. The thing about those things is you don't realize you're in it when you're in it. So when I'm going to Biggie concerts and Nas concerts, and I'm just living life, it's just what it is. That's what we're into.
Yeah.
It's only 20 years later because, oh my God, that period. And so I hope that people just take a moment, because there's so much music out there and everything else, just take a moment to really appreciate what's happening at the moment. And I think a lot of these artists are mid-flight and only just getting started. They're getting better. And I think we could look at possibly I'd go back to 2000. I could probably get my dates wrong here. 2015, 2016, where sort of Janelle Monáe and Solange's album as well was quite a pivotal album, because that was quite really an album of authenticity in terms of not going sort of the mainstream R&B format. And I think that was probably quite inspiring to a lot of artists. So I think that 10-year period from 2016 to 2025, I would hope, minimum, there's going to be a decade's worth of us. We will look back and say that was the birth of some superstars, because we've got
100%, because there's such an immense wealth of huge talent out there. Like every name you just mentioned, there's Summer Walker to even like some of the UK artists, like you said, LMA, Ray, to loads of other people as well who are smashing it now. And like I said,
and the UK, it's a proud time to be. They've always said about the UK explosion, all this, but it's really happening now. The talent is phenomenal.